Hello everybody, this is Ukecat. How's everything? So today I want to show my pencil drawing. Plus now you can see this little charcoals, but mostly I using pencil. So my drawing today I want to share how I draw. So today's object is beauty at the beach. So I like summertime. Summertime I wanna go to beach, right? So I'm living in New York, right? My favorite beach is Brighton Beach, Coney Island. So I can enjoy every summertime. The most nearest beach from which I live. I'm taking a subway, only 1 hour I can reach there. Then I wanna enjoy summertime. So I know water is not so clean like Hawaii or like that, but still we can enjoy beach. So today's I took the object is a beautiful American famous model. So just I didn't trace, just I saw the photo, then I start to draw little very simple esquisse. Let's start. I think it took time 2 hours to draw this one. Maybe I'm drawing not so slow, maybe fast. So I can enjoy these days portrait. I'm oftenly draw actually painting watercolors at outside, like a landscape. It's beautiful, so I'm enjoying beautiful sky, natures, flowers, and painting. I sometimes draw pencil. So actually I got order from my friend who live Alaska. So this is USA. So we're gonna do exhibition. I think that online should be online exhibition. So if finish, I gonna tell that. So this is my I'm speaking. This is finished my drawing. Yeah, like this. I wanna draw in this summer. I think 30 art I wanna draw. So far I did I think 15 in almost 15 in 2 weeks. I did almost every day I draw. So yeah, I can do that. So I hope you can check my arts and some class exhibitions. I gonna let you know. So when I hold exhibitions. So last time I did exhibition at New York in January 1st to 5th. So this year I wanna do more big one. Also I wanna do small exhibitions, more many places. So I'm thinking about. But anyway, so please enjoy beautiful summertime. So if you enjoying painting or drawing, so please, enjoy. This world is like kind of crazy, so many stressful things happening, but please have a time, even 1 hour, which you like. So life is beautiful. You can enjoy life. Art is beautiful. Okay, see you soon. This is Ukecat.